Hi, I'm Michelle from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 18 Lubel Street in Anglesea, a property bursting with promise. Serving as a holiday house, this 3-bedroom, 3-living-room home has stood the test of time and needs updating to maximise the inspired location. Elevated open-plan living with a wood-fire heater leads onto the upper deck, which harnesses all-day north and west sunshine. Create your own dream home and harness the natural surrounds, whether it be by a renovation or a redevelopment. The Anglesea township is only moments away, as is the school, river, beaches, reserves and walking tracks. As you can see, opportunity knocks, and to learn more, please contact me, Michelle McDonald or Marty Ma on the following numbers.